everybody, beautiful souls. Thank you so much for joining me today, and Happy New Year. I know it's the 9th, if not the 10th. My goodness, I think it's the 10th of January already, but this is my first session I'm holding on YouTube this year, so just wanted to say the biggest thank you for continuing to be here, a part of mine and Lucy's journey in sharing our love and our passion to support you and your well-being, your spiritual journey and your spiritual well-being. So thank you so much. If you're new to Soul Compass, me and Lucy, Intuitive Therapist, and myself, my business is Glow with Rachel. We forged together last year in a beautiful space, creating virtually and also one-to-one sessions. And it's been so incredibly inspiring, and we've met just the most gorgeous of people, and it's really ignited something within our souls. So 2026, we have got lots coming for you. We've got a retreat next month, which is in Dorset in the UK. And if you head to our websites or our Facebook or Instagrams, then you'll absolutely be able to find some more information about upcoming face-to-face sessions and workshops, retreats. And we also both offer one-to-one, so if you're feeling called, then please do reach out. We'd love to be working with you. We both feel that each and everyone has medicine for our souls. So I think this year is about us joining together in a community that then can support your well-being. So as I said, it's January, and a lot of us we think that we should be setting New Year's resolutions, and that we should be conforming to expectations that are of abundance and being really busy and filling our schedules up. But although January is the start of the calendar year, it's not the astrological new year, and that doesn't start until the sun goes into Aries, so that's April. So we are currently in the northern hemisphere, at the beginning of our winter. So our trees are bare, the forests and the woods and the woodlands and our gardens are really barren, and everything's been stripped back and it's really raw, and there's not lots of creativity on show. And I think that has to be a really good reminder. Nature is one of our most sacred teachers here on earth, and it's just a real good reminder that actually nature is showing us that it is a time for renewal, it's a time for introspection, it's a time for softness and being gentle with ourselves, and not using all our energy, because our energy at the moment is quite scarce. Is that the right word I'm looking for? Scarce. There we go. Can't get my words out today. It's the winter. I'm gonna blame the winter. But society puts these expectations on us that we should be fully functioning, that we should be fully in our creativity. How summer is, and spring and summer, and how that energy is just, it's fiery, it roars, there's lots of things that we could be doing and get ourselves involved in. But right now, the days are really short, the nights are long, the the energy is quite stagnant. It's a real place for you to come in and nurture yourself. And tomorrow, Lucy and I, or today, as you're watching it today on Sunday, Lucy and I are holding the soft landing. And it is really an initiation and a reminder for you to come into the new year as gentle as possible and stripping back like the trees do with their leaves when they remove them in the autumnal winds. It's an opportunity for you to say no more. It's about putting your needs first, and it's about listening to your inner wisdom and your heart space and saying, is this right for me right now? Because it's okay to say no. So I wanted to gift you a sound bath this morning, or at any point of the day which you are watching this, just to land softly in your own soul, in your own knowing. So if I can ask you to get comfortable, and of course you may wish to lay down. If you're sitting, just getting yourself as comfortable as possible, and just accepting the frequencies that are coming through to you today, and just allow yourself to journey inwards, and perhaps just setting the intention of, how does my soul want me to land this January? How does my soul want me to land this January? And just listening to your own inner voice, and allowing yourself to be taken on a beautiful journey. So I thank you very much for being with me today, and just inviting you to soften the eyes, and bringing your awareness to your breath. And just feeling where you are, noticing the ground that you are laying upon, noticing how your body feels. Noticing what your body needs right now. And just taking a deep breath in, and a deep breath out. And just holding the intention of landing softly in your soul, in that sacred part of you that already has all the answers. And just starting to bring awareness back into the room, into your body. And just taking a deep breath in and just inviting you to stretch and change position. Doing this when feels good for you. And just allowing all the frequencies to be fully absorbed. And also, you're welcome to journal or to leave a message in the comments below about perhaps where your soul is asking you to land softly this year into January, and or just an invitation for you to go on a reflective walk and really ask yourself what was coming up for you in this session today, and where your soul is asking you to put its energy in right now. As always, I am so grateful that you joined. Thank you so much. And I will see you in the next one. Have a beautiful Sunday. Sending lots of love.